Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today we're going to be doing a quick install of the cabin filter on a 2009 to 2017 qx70, fx35, fx37, and yes, fx50. They're all the same, guys. This is the part you'll be needing right there. Genuine OEM cabin filter. Anyways, pick that bad boy up and let's get this thing installed. Alright, first thing, open this bad boy up, kind of pull it to the side. There you go, and that'll drop it down. It's a bit tricky, just gotta tilt it. I want to show you this wire. Okay, I want to show you all how to get that little wire off properly. So you see it right here. So here's what you gotta do. Just pull it forward, it'll snap off, and then it's gonna come up here, and you'll just push it back on, it'll snap back on, guys. It's real easy, but that's what it looks like. Okay, now that we discussed the wire, there is 4 Phillips across the top, 1 in the center right there, and 1 down there at the bottom, and 1 down there at the bottom. So I'm going to pop all of those out real quick, and then I'll show you how to pop out this plastic piece. Okay, now that you got that out, what we want to do is pull this piece forward here. And now that that's hanging, we're going to see the access to the filter in here. So there's 1 tab right here in the corner. See it? Just kind of pull it, then pull it forward, and there's your filter. So see how it's pressed up to the top? That's how we're going to want to reinstall it. So drop. Let's get this old filter out real quick. And this one was just super mildewy. It was smelling real bad. So there it is. Okay, so this is how you put the filter back in. Just get it in the right orientation. These little tabs here on the bottom are gonna hold the filter up. So, push up on the filter. Line this up. And there it is. Holds it in place and it'll still be on top. As you can see, it's still on top, correct orientation. Next, we're gonna put all this back up and just pop it back in place. And now, just get all the screws put back in. Okay, I want to show you the bottom piece after you screw that stuff in. It may have already fell when you took off the top piece. However, mine didn't, so I'm just pulling it down to show you. There's these clips in the back. That white clip right there, so there's 2 of them. And it's going to go in there and on the silver side right here. And then you're going to push up on it. Okay, there we go. Get your glove box back in there. Pull on the little clip. Just pop it back in with the wire, which is super easy, like I said. And then line up the bottom. Get this in there. And then line up the bottom. Might take you a second to get it right. There it is. Cool. Double check everything. Looks good. Okay, thanks for joining today, YouTube. Get rid of that smelly cabin filter. Please be sure to subscribe, comment down below, and I'll catch you guys next time.